Hello, Chef here. Real quick review. I got this jar of awesome Kalamata olives. These come from Greece. I love them. A few other people like them too. So anyway, I used the tongs and I removed these Kalamatas and I put them in a small dish like this. This would be perfect for appetizer, sharing, family, friends, whatever. This, of course, gets resealed, put back in the refrigerator, and at this point, I'm going to season the olives when you want to prepare some of these. So I'm going to put a little bit of oregano and basil. I've got them mixed together. I'm going to put just a little shake of them right on top like this. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh ground black pepper, just like this. Yep. And I'm going to put just a touch of extra special white truffle oil. Oh yeah, I can smell it already. Just like this. It's a finishing oil, as you know. So that right there is a nice appetizer. Kalamatas. Of course, I'm going to serve it with maybe some sliced tomatoes on a salad, or even just to accent it, just so it looks nice on the table. Maybe I'm going to put a little strawberry on there. Just a nice way to present and serve Kalamata olives. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a great day.